clock is getting hot, I got no fear. 900 degrees and I'm still here. We can melt in the sun, you can say I'm the one. I'll just say it's been fun, hallelujah. Yeah, it's time to turn the page like a new year. It's the year of the dog and I'm so hungry. I've been chomping at this bit, about to hit another lick. Sayonara, gotta do. Cause I can't wait. I'm down in the south, baby, where the colors always shine daily. I'm always making time for you. Yeah, I'm always making time for you. I can be an asshole, and I can be your best friend. The intention is medical, but the summit looks different. I don't wanna wait right here, I'm not in the mood for forgiveness. I just wanna be sincere, I don't got time for this fake shit. Well, I can't wait. I'm down in the south, baby, where the colors always shine daily. I'm always making time for you. Yeah, I'm always making time for you. I'm down in the south, baby, where the colors always shine daily. I'm always making time for you. Yeah, I'm always making time for you. Always making time for you. The colonies in chaos, the honey is green. I just can't always clock the pace, been falling off for days. Can't wait to take my chances. And tornado from Kansas, the coast seems too close to oceans. They hope to roll it and shake the land up. The owners will put their hands up and dip with benefits. Big fish never get caught, won't flinch. I caught hooks in spots where I swim. Been landlocked. These landlords want what I cannot give. To get to space I must take up. Can't evaporate and won't stay stuck. This backward state won't shape up. Don't know my place, I gotta make it up.
Music for me was never just about which DJ played my song or which label was cool. It's always been much more than that. Music has touched generations, liberated cultures, made people fall in love, made people cry. It's true emotion.
I've been feeling you, got my heart torn into two. Think I met you on
go bigger. I wanna go big, I wanna go big, I wanna go bigger. I wanna go big, I wanna go big, I wanna go bigger. I wanna go big, I wanna go big, I wanna go bigger. I wanna go big, I wanna go big, I wanna go bigger. I wanna go big, I wanna go big, I wanna go bigger. I'm sorry, Mrs. Jones, I don't know how I find myself again. Yeah, sitting on your couch and guess I lost control. I guess I lost my way. I feel it in my bones. I feel it in my bones. That tissue on the left if you wanna cry now. If you wanna cry now. If you wanna cry now. Let's talk about your issues. Let's talk about your childhood. Let's talk about your issues. Let's talk about your childhood. I'm sorry, Miss Jones. I don't know how it happened. I guess I lost control. Oh, I guess I lost my way and I feel it in my bones. I feel it in my stomach. Always inside me, always inside me. I wanna get bigger, 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 wanna get bigger. I wanna get bigger, wanna get bigger, wanna get bigger, wanna get bigger.
I stare down at the crazy paisley pattern carpet. It spooks my subconscious. I get a little bit nauseous. Sticky with Czech beer, blood, sweat and tears. Yeah, this is fear and loathing in an English seaside town. There's Billy Big Bollocks, as fat as his wife is thin. Gold rings grinning with his legs wide apart. 6 Peronis deep, shirt buttons undone right down to his size 7 feet. What's so funny, man?